guys, we're on the road to Denver right now. This is day one of our trip to Portland, Oregon. Alexis is driving right now. We're gassed up. Dogs, Astro and Bella are back there sleeping. They're a little gassy. Stay tuned. Alright, good afternoon, folks. We're at Love's gas station. We just gassed up. We're all released our bowel, and Bella's ready to get back on the road. How do you feel, Alexis?
Ready to be passenger.
Update. We're in Wyoming at a Walmart. Just got gas. Upper, we had to get some black ice.
They stink!